Jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan komen di ruangan YouTube Cik Hidayah Siti.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my pupils in year 1 Bravo. Today is your transition week phase 2, for year 1. So today topics is let cook. Let cook. Now lesson for today. Your lesson for today is is about learn recipe on how to make sandwich, and then we will watch a video how to make sandwich, and I will show you your worksheet where you have to color the pictures of the sandwich according to the first picture. Now we go to this. This is a recipe to make sandwich. So the first one here, ingredients. The thing that you need to make sandwich, there are 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 sliced bread, a little butter, or 2 or 3 slices of tomato, or a lettuce leaf, and a slice of cheese. Method that you use to make this is, first step 1, bring a pan of water to the boil and carefully lower in the egg. For example, this picture. Cook for 6 minutes. Then cool under running water until they can be peeled. Peel the eggs, then leave to cool completely. After you cook around 6 minutes, and then cool it under running waters, and then peel the hard part of the egg. And then just put it down and make it cool first. Step 2. Step 2, you have to mash or chop the egg, then mix with 1.5 tablespoon mayonnaise and also some seasoning, for example like this one. You have to mash and chop it. And next step, make it smaller first. Next step 3, lay 1 slice of bread on the board, butter it, then spread on the 3/4 of the egg and scatter over the grease. For example like this, you put the butters, some cheese, and then spread it. Spread the egg on the bread and another slice of toast, and gentle spread on the remaining mayo. Add the tomatoes and lettuce and cheese, or whichever combination you prefer. Dot the remaining egg over the top, spread gently, then top with the final piece of toast bread. And then cut the crust of it you like, then gently cut the sandwich into 4/4, being careful not to squash out the egg. For example like this one. So this is how or step to make sandwich. Now you can see the step to make a sandwich. Now I will show you something. We will watch a video before I ask you to do these coloring pictures. So I will make it bigger first. So watch this video. I will show you the video. So now this is a video. So I will play it, and I want you to see how to make a sandwich. There are delicious sandwich. Okay, so you need eggs. This one egg is already been boiled, so now you mash it. Okay, next do some black peppers and salt and mayo, 2 or 3 tablespoons. Okay, some of you like mustard, you can put mustard. Look delicious, right? Okay, now cut at the edge of the bread. Okay, apply a butter. Now you spread your egg. Okay, done already. This is how to make a simple sandwich. Okay, I hope you know how to do already, so you can make a sandwich together with your parents, your mothers, or your sisters. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, so that's all video that you will watch. Okay, now we go back to your okay, now we go back to this slide. Okay, so now your exercise is I want you to color. Okay, I want you to color these pictures according to the pictures A given here. Okay, I want you to color these pictures according to the pictures in A. So make sure it the same colors. Okay, so this is your exercise for today. So I hope you can do it. It is a simple exercise for you, year 1. Okay, to make sure you know the sandwich. Okay, so I hope you can do your exercise and hand in to me after you have finished. You just take a pictures. Okay, just give it to me, and then so that's all. So I will see you the next class, and make sure you do your homework, and make sure after you send this homework to me, make sure you click the link for your attendance. Okay, that's all for me. Bye bye, see you next class.